afternoon, everybody. This is Todd Mitchell for Friday, August 14th, and I'll be away on vacation all of next week, so there won't be any blog videos. And I was really busy today, so I wasn't able to actually record any live trades, although I had, well, technically 5, but really 4, and I want to go through each one of them with you. It's actually in the T-bond futures. That's what I was really focusing in on today because I started the day off pretty good, even though I got in late again today. And I want to show you and take you through each trade. Again, this is on the 30-year T-bond futures, as you can see right in here, US U15. Each trade was only 2 lots, very small, and one trade I did have a 3 lot. Okay, so as you can see here, I closed out $1,093.75 with these trades, and these are all really, really small trades. Okay, not only small in terms of position sizing, the 2 lots, okay, but just 3 to 5 ticks each, and it can really add up if you really know what you're doing and you know how to read the chart and just really follow the market and understand that price action, which I'm huge into. You can do extremely well trading with very, very little amount of money. And again, this is where the market opened up today, this vertical dotted line, okay? So I came in about right in here this morning. I saw the market had sold off. We had sold off to this low right here, and immediately I threw in an order to sell to right here, as you can see the arrow, and I took profits right here. I believe that was a 3 and or 4 tick trade that made about $218. This is worth, again, $218, that small one. Now, quite frankly, I missed the trade of the day, and I'm going to show you that at the end. I missed the trade of the day. I was doing something. The market tested a significant level, and that would have been a huge trade, okay? So, but this was a nice little trade here. We made about $218 on this short. Hit this low, bounced up, sold it here, sold 1 there, and 2 right here. So with a total of 3 on this. 1 here, get my foot in the water a little bit here, and then sold 2 here, and took them all off right in here. And this was about $350 trade. Okay, then the market continued to move up. It came into a level where I felt comfortable selling it right in here. Ended up taking profits right in here for another $200 to $300 on this trade. As you can see, we were short 2. All right, let me move this forward a little bit. And again, these are all, you know, anywhere from 3 to 5 tick trades. Each tick is worth $31.25. So if you're trading 2, each minimum price fluctuation is $62.50. Okay, and then the market really rallied. So, and I knew we would get a pullback. Okay, and again, day before leaving on vacation, had a lot to do today, so I didn't have a whole lot of time to babysit many trades. So these are pretty short-lived trades, very small sizing. Okay, this one here, I sold 2 here, all right, and then right here, sold, I think it was 3, and took profits here and here, and so that ended up being up 1,093, and look at what happened for the rest of the day. If I had the patience, the market really came down. Okay, so let me crunch this chart up and show you something here. All right, the market actually, you know, because I use another chart. I'm going to start when I get back. I'm going to show you that other chart that I use. I like to use the day session only chart when trading. So for a lot of you who know about how I trade the E-mini S&P 500 futures, it's very similar the way I trade the bonds, but there are differences, and I'm going to start getting into that in the next couple of weeks. But I have a chart set up. So this chart that you see right here, it includes the night session and the day session, so that can be confusing. So I've created another a chart that's just the day session. It's a little harder to create just the day session on the bonds. You can't just put a USU15.D like you can with the E-minis, ESU15.D. It simply gives you the daily chart, the day session rather. The bonds is different. So I Actually, Craig helped me, and he went in there and created it for me. I'm going to show you that chart when I get back. But just to make a long story short, let me just show you the low of today. Okay, the low of today is right here. All right, in the bonds. 157 and 12/30 seconds, right? Now, that low to the tick, right? The 157.12 was the daily support 1 level, the daily pivot, the daily S1 number, okay? That was the low of the day. That was today's S1 number, support 1 number on the daily pivots, okay? And not only that, the prior day's low was 157.15 right there. So you had that daily S1 number that's not showing up on this chart, right? Was 157.12, and the prior day's low 157.15. So basically, let me just draw it out for you. This was a big key level to look to buy. And I wish I had, I wasn't even paying attention to it when it hit that low. And by the time I found out and I saw it, it was trading, the market was trading up in here. So it was a good 4 or 5 ticks up off the low, actually trading right in here. Again, didn't want to chase the market because it's all about trade location, right? If you chase the market, that means your initial risk is going to be larger. So again, the trade of the day was right there, and that was a buy. It was a classic buy, but missed that trade. So again, hope that helps a little bit. Again, proof that you can make real good money trading small size, and again, trading 2 or 3 contracts here and there a couple times a day in the bonds or even the E-minis. You can make really good money, and for a lot of people, you know, making $1,000 is pretty good in a day. So when I get back on the 24th, I'm going to show you a whole lot more. So hope everyone has a great week, and hope the video helps. Bye for now.